Good evening, all. As we know, the accounting industry offers many opportunities to learn through various courses. As per your requirement, you are supposed to choose what is best for you. The financing industry is also beneficial to pursue in the present professional world, just like accounting. Now, are you confused as to what to do after graduation? Don't worry. This is Deepika Jain, and in today's video, we are going to see the difference between CPA and CFA. So let's move right into choosing the best among the best. CPA versus CFA, a detailed comparison. So our agenda in this video is to see the difference between CPA and CFA course in terms of their governing body, the eligibility criteria, the subjects for both the course, the duration, the pass percentage or difficulty level, the fees or investment required for both the course, the exam dates and format, job areas and opportunities, and the average salary in India. So let's get started with governing body. CPA exams are conducted by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, and the licenses are given by NASBA, that is the National Association of State Board of Accountancy. However, the CFA Institute is responsible for CFA exam and giving membership. Eligibility criteria. Let's get into the eligibility criteria for CFA first. So, to register for CFA, you will have to at least complete 2 years of your bachelor degree. So, if you are in the final year of your bachelor's degree, you can register for CFA. And you will get the license, or you can obtain the license for CFA after you qualify your exam and also after you have 4 years of relevant work experience. However, for CPA, you can register if you have 120 credits. Now, what do you mean by credits? So, every year of your university graduation or post-graduation is coined as 30 credits. So, if you have completed 3 years of your graduation and also completed first year of your post-graduation, you have got 30 into 390 plus the 30 120 credits already, and now you are eligible to register for CPA. To get your license for CPA, you need to qualify your CPA exams and also get 30 additional credits. This 30 additional credits is in addition to the 120 credits. So, in short, to get the license, you are required to qualify your exam, have 150 credits in total, and also 1 year work experience. Next, what are the subjects in CPA? So in CPA, we have 4 subjects. Financial accounting and reporting, auditing and attestation, regulation, and business environment and concepts. However, CFA has 3 levels. So in all the 3 levels of CFA, we have all these subjects. There are 10 subjects in level 1. The same 10 subjects in level 2, obviously more in detail, and in the 3rd level you have 7 subjects. So here the quantitative methods, financial reporting and analysis, and corporate finance are taken out in the 3rd level. Now if you look at the subjects, you will understand that CPA is more of auditing, accounting, and taxation. So basically, a CPA is known as an American Chartered Accountant. However, if you look at CFA subjects, you see that it is more of portfolio and wealth management, financial reporting and analysis, equity investments, derivative, alternate investment. So CFA is done by the people who are interested in wealth management, portfolio management, and investment planning. if you want to know in detail about the subjects of CPA and also the credits mentioned in the previous slide, you can click on the link below given in the description where we have explained in detail in our previous video about the subjects and the eligibility criteria for CPA. Let's get ahead to the duration for CPA and CFA. Now for CPA, you need 1 year of study plus 1 year of work experience. The best part is if you can do both together, then you can crack your CPA in just 1 year. You can become a CPA in just 1 year. CFA, you need at least 2 to 3 years of studies plus 4 years of work experience. And if both are done together, then you can complete your CFA within 4 years. So the main difference here is the duration, wherein CPA can be completed in just 1 year. However, CFA will take 4 years to complete at least. Pass percentage. CPA pass percentage is almost 40%. However, the pass percentage for CFA for all the 3 levels in one go, that is if you look for clearing all the 3 levels in the first attempt, then it is almost 10%. Let's talk about the fees. So for CPA and CFA both, the fees are almost same. The fees will include the application fee, exam fee, registration fee, coaching fee, and that for CFA is rupees 4 lakh and for CFA is again 4 lakh. So there is no major difference in the fee structure or the investment required for both the courses. Next, let's talk about the exam date. The next best part about CPA is exams are conducted throughout the year. So you can give your exams anytime at your own will. As we have discussed the 4 papers in CPA, you can choose any one paper, write your exam anytime you wish. You can then take the next paper, write your exam anytime you wish, and you can complete all the 4 exams in just 1 year anytime you wish. However, in CFA, you have 3 levels. So the exams for level 1 are conducted 4 times a year. That is in Feb, May, August and November. The exam for level 2 are conducted 3 times a year. Feb, August and November. And for level 3, the exams are conducted 2 times a year in May and August. Next, let's talk about the exam format. For CPA, each paper is a 4-hour test. So the first 3 papers that we spoke about, that is FAR, AUD and REG, is 50% multiple choice question based and 50% is simulation based. Now here simulation based means case based scenario questions will be there. However, the 4th paper, BEC, that will consist of 50% MCQ, 35% simulation and 15% written communication to test your writing and communication skills. Let's talk about CFA. Now CFA level 1 is MCQ paper for 4.5 hours. Level 2 is a case-based paper with accompanying MCQ, that is also for 4.5 hours. And level 3 is again a case-based paper with accompanying MCQ plus constructed response questions, which is again for 4.5 hours. Constructed response questions are essay-based questions. So this is the main difference between CPA and CFA. Next, let's talk about the job areas. Now, as we already discussed that CPA is generally known as an American Chartered Accountant. The job areas for a CPA are internal or statutory auditor, public accountant. He can also go for forensics, auditing and accounting. He can become a financial advisor or can go into taxation. However, CFA is more of portfolio and wealth management, and that is why he can become a portfolio manager, go into investment banking, private equity, corporate finance, financial advisor and equity research. So broadly speaking, CPA has more fields or areas in which he can get into than CFA. Next, let's talk about the average salary in India. Now, for a CPA, the jobs can be the CPAs can be employed in Big Fours or companies with the US parent company or US subsidiary company, and the average salary is between 10 to 12 lakh for a CPA. For a CFA, the average salary is between 9 to 12 lakh. This is after clearing all the 3 levels. However, if you are worried that only a few papers of CPA have been cleared, so if you have cleared just one paper of CPA, then you are called as a semi-qualified CPA, and thus your salary will range from 3 to 5 lakh. However, if you cleared the first level of CFA, then your salary will range from 4 to 5 lakh. So this is broadly the difference of CPA and CFA. And I hope that you have got a very broader idea and a detailed idea about which should be the best course for you and what would interest you. So now, if you have made up your mind to go ahead with the CPA course, do not worry about where to go, because why fear when Target Academy is here? If you have any doubts or clarifications needed, then you can contact in the number given in our description below. Thank you.